In just a year, there's been strides taken that, to me, are matchless when it comes to the technology in Lexus vehicles. Yeah, my first day at Jim Hudson Lexus was definitely one to remember. I mean, you think about technology in vehicles and, you know, you have the things like blind spot monitor and park assist that we all know about. But what I didn't think was the first time I got in the vehicle, there were going to be things like radar cruise control and lane keep assist. And it was definitely an eye-opener to what's out there as far as vehicle technology goes.
Over the course of 3 years, Lexus has completely transformed the way that they handle their safety features. What was once blind spot monitor and park assist. 2 features, by the way, that were not standard. Those 2 features, you actually had to buy the specific package that contained those safety features. Now, when you buy a Lexus in 2019, you're getting a standard safety system package that's actually going to bring you more peace of mind when you're driving down the road. Lexus Safety System Plus is a package of features that actually features lane keep assist, radar cruise control, intelligent high beams, and pre-collision system. Those 4 features were put on these cars. That was kind of Lexus's statement to say, hey, we're committed to changing the way that we do safety features in a Lexus.
Like lane keep assist. If you unintentionally move out of your lane, it's going to alert you. And then at the same time, it's going to help you center back into the lane.
Radar cruise control does it. It actually can see the traffic in front of you, keep you at a safe distance. So that way you're not having to maneuver the cruise control or cancel the cruise control or what have you.
Things like pedestrian detection, which if you're backing up in a parking spot and somebody happens to be walking behind you, the car's going to brake, it's crazy to think about that kind of technology in vehicles. And then you also have things like pre-collision system, which can alert you in the event that the car senses the possibility of a frontal collision.
The intelligent high beams actually detects traffic as well at night and dims your lights automatically whenever you're driving. So that makes it a lot safer for you, makes it safer for other people as well.
I mean, in just a year, there's been strides taken that, to me, are matchless when it comes to the technology in Lexus vehicles.
Yeah. I know that if I were going out and buying a car, I would want to know that a manufacturer actually prioritizes my safety. And that's what Lexus does. They actually take it that step further and say, we're not gonna charge you safety as an extra option. No, safety is a standard feature. Safety System Plus gives you that peace of mind whenever you're buying a Lexus.